In today's video, I will walk you through how to share documents on screen in a Zoom meeting. If you're already in a Zoom meeting and you're ready to present a document, start by finding the Share button. It usually appears as a green button along the bottom of the meeting window. Click it to open the sharing options. A panel will appear where you can choose what you want to share with everyone in the meeting. From there, select the Documents tab. This tab is designed for sharing documents directly through Zoom. Inside, you'll see the available documents, including files that are stored in Zoom Docs. Choose Docs, then select the document you want to present. After selecting the file, confirm that you want to share it. Your document will appear for everyone in the meeting, and you can begin presenting it. As you move through the document by scrolling or highlighting different sections, participants will see those changes and can follow along with what you're showing. If you don't see your document in the Documents tab because it hasn't been uploaded to Zoom Docs, you can use another method instead. Before sharing, open the document on your computer using the application where it's stored. This could be a word processor, a PDF reader, or a browser tab if the document is available online. Make sure the document is already open and visible before returning to the meeting. Once the document is open, go back to the Zoom meeting and click Share again. Instead of choosing the Documents tab, look for the option to share an application window. Zoom will display the applications that are currently running on your computer. Find the window that contains your document, select it, and then confirm the share. Zoom will now share only that application window instead of your entire screen. Your participants will see the document displayed in that selected window while you continue presenting. As you go through the document, keep it visible in the shared window so everyone can follow along easily. After switching to the shared content, pause briefly to give participants a moment to see the document before continuing with your presentation. If you're moving between different pages or sections, let participants know what you're about to show before you switch. This helps keep the presentation moving smoothly and makes it easier for everyone to stay on the same page. Remember that participants see whatever appears in the application window you selected to share. If you add highlights or annotations while presenting, those changes will also be visible during the meeting. That's all you need to do. You can either click Share, open the Documents tab, and select the file you want to present, or open your document first and then share its application window instead. Both methods let you display your document during the meeting so everyone can follow along with your presentation. Thank you for watching.